The aim of the manufacturing processes lab at IITRAM is to skill the students, and for that these fabrication projects have been introduced. Students are starting their fabrication projects in the second year, and in the third year they are going to industries and bagging the live projects from the industries, and we are successfully bridging the gap between industry and academia. Thank you.
Manufacturing process is important for industrial application. In this course, we are done with our fabrication project, from which we are learned that how to apply theoretical concept into practical, dealing with different machines, and how to deal with different problems during practical, and also work with team. So from me, manufacturing process is very important course for mechanical engineering.
We used many processes like welding and drilling, shaping, and used new machines, making operating machines on our own. So it was very good exposure. The faculties that coordinated us, they were very nice. That helped us in many problems that we faced along. So it was a very nice working along the project.
Thank you, sir, for giving us this opportunity at this point of time, and it was great working under your guidance. Also, I am feeling much more confident in this subject after completion of this fabrication project.
It was an amazing experience, and the lab assistants were helping us at each and every point, and they were guiding us to every technical feasibility.
It was a cherishable experience that gave us a chance to put our ideas into reality. By teaching from his real-life experiences, Dr. Navneet Khanna made this course a memorable journey for us all.
The fabrication project was an exciting experience that allowed us to learn a lot of things. It helped us apply knowledge that we learned from class in a more practical manner to create a product that can be used for daily purposes. We are extremely grateful for being provided this opportunity.